This is a jssmst change box, money box, just a lock box. It can be zipped. It can be raked, even though that wasn't the smoothest rake. It can be popped with a Cobra instrument, tubular lockpick, actually really easy. It's almost like using the key. And then, where's the pick at? Give me this one. Then single pin picket. Oh crap. I hope it wasn't out of focus like that the whole time. 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's not. It's either overset or not all the way open. I must have overset something. So 1, 2, 4. It picks relatively straightforward. 1, 2, 3, 4. But that's the jssmst lockbox.